Namaste, dear children. Welcome to class 3. In the previous class, I have given a model reading of lesson 2, The Little Red Kite. And today I will explain the meaning of the sentences. Page number 16. First two lines. We can learn something only if we try. Read how the little red kite learned to fly. That says we can learn something only if we try. When we try, we can learn something. Read how the little red kite learned to fly. Here in this chapter, in this lesson, we are going to learn about the little red kite, how it learned to fly. This is the theme of the lesson. And sentence starts here. Hari looked up at the sky. First character, one boy name it is Hari, looked up at the sky. It was a lovely day. Lovely day, it's an adjective. Lovely day, it was a lovely day. Means good day, very pleasant day, very good day. The tall trees were swaying slowly in the breeze. Tall trees, tall trees, swaying. Swaying means move or cause to move slowly or rhythmically backwards and forwards from side to side. Slowly in the breeze. We can see Ashoka trees sway in the breeze. And one more new word here is breeze. Breeze means a pleasant wind, a good wind. That is called breeze. Slow moving wind. That is breeze. The clouds were high in the blue sky. How were the clouds? Very high in the blue sky. How is the sky? Blue sky. And the clouds were high. It looked as though someone had taken bits of cotton wool and stuck them up in the sky. It looked means which looked? The blue sky looked. How it looks? As though someone had taken bits of cotton wool and stuck them up in the sky. Means clouds are very white clouds, and in the sky, blue sky, it looks as though someone had taken bits of cotton wool and stuck them up in the sky. Stuck is the past tense of stick. Someone had taken a cotton wool. Cotton wool is a bundle of cotton which can be used as a to cure wounds in order to uh, pay or apply ointment to the wound. We use cotton in medicines. That is cotton wool. If it is big in size, that is cotton wool. That bits of cotton wool stuck them up in the sky. The clouds are looking like very white. It was a perfect day for flying kites. What is the importance of the day? What we can do in that day? It is perfect day for flying kites. For flying kites, it was a perfect day, suitable day to fly kites. But Hari's little red kite didn't seem to think so. Here, Hari has what kind of kite? Little red kite. But Hari's little red kite didn't seem to think so. Seem to think so means seem to flying in the sky so. And one more important thing that you all made different colored, different size kites, and you took photos of them and you sent it to your class teacher, and I have seen that and I have appreciated all those kites were very beautiful. And this kite forming is very useful in understanding this lesson too. This is about the little red kite, and you are also making kites. That's very coincidence. That's very good. When Minnie threw the kite up, it skipped a little and then dragged on the grass. Minnie, Hari's friend, name is Minnie. When Minnie threw the kite up, threw is a past tense of throw. Minnie threw the kite up. It skipped a little and then dragged on the grass. Dragging means pulling in the ground, pulling on the ground. If something is there and we tie that substance to a thread and we pull it, then that is called dragging. Dragged on the grass. It didn't rise up at all. Means how we fly, how we make kite flying. Someone should hold the kite and other should hold the string. When the one who is holding the kite must throw the kite to the sky upward, then the one who is holding the string, he must pull the string. Then if wind blows, then kite starts flying. So here Minnie is trying to throw the kite up. See here in this picture, red kite fell down on the ground. See, that is Hari. One who is holding the string, he is Hari, and that girl, first girl, who has pink color dress, she is Minnie. This is about Hari's kite. Hari's brother Ravi had a big green and yellow kite. See, beside Hari, one boy is there wearing a cap and a red t-shirt. That boy's kite is green and yellow color. See, green and yellow color kite is flying. He is Ravi, Hari's brother. Ravi had a big green and yellow kite. His friend threw it up and at once it flew into the sky. When Ravi's friend threw the kite up, which kite? Big green and yellow kite. Ravi's friend threw it up. At once it flew into the sky. Flew. F-L-E-W. Flew means past tense of fly. F-L-Y. Fly. Flew. Flying. Flew. Flew into the sky. It starts flew into the sky means it is started flying in the sky. See here, green and yellow kite is flying in the sky. That is flew. Come on, little red kite, said Hari. Hari says to his kite. His is little red kite. That is the name of the chapter. Come on, little red kite, said Hari. Fly, fly, do fly into the sky. You will have fun, he said. Hari said, fly, fly, do fly into the sky. You will have fun. Like that, Hari says. But the little kite just trembled a little and lay down quietly on the ground. But the little kite just trembled a little. Trembled a little is in blue color. What is the meaning of trembled a little? Shook a bit in fear. In fear. Shook. Shook a bit in fear. Fear, you know, fear. Shook a bit in fear means in fear, shaking. That moment is called shook a bit in fear. Trembled a little means red kite felt fear because it fear of flying and fell down, lay down quietly on the ground, quietly, calmly, silently on the ground, lay down on the ground. Oh, I can't do it, thought the little kite. It says, I can't do it, I can't fly in the sky. It says, little red kite, I am so afraid. Fear, I am afraid. I might fall on a sharp branch or a cruel thorn. I might fall on a sharp branch or a cruel thorn. Fall. I might fall on a sharp branch or cruel thorn. If I fall on a cruel thorn or sharp branch, they will tear me. So I don't want to fly. Like that, it feared. Which one? The little red kite. I could get hurt. It says, come on, little kite, don't be afraid, said Hari. Come on, little kite, don't be afraid, fear, don't be afraid, don't fear. Like that, Hari said. Minnie said, maybe the little kite is afraid of these bushes and trees. Let's go to the middle of the park. Minnie says that the little kite is afraid of these bushes and trees. You know bushes, small plants which grow thickly, those are called bushes. And trees, nearby trees are there, bushes are there. Maybe this kite is afraid of those bushes. Let's go to the middle of the park. In the middle of the park, there were no trees and no bushes. So, Winnie suggested to go to the middle of the park. So, the two children took the kite to the middle of the park, which was an open and grassy space. Middle of the park is open space, grassy space. Grass is there in the middle of the park, but open means no trees, no bushes. There were no bushes or trees around. Now you must try hard when I throw you up, Minnie told the kite. Minnie told the kite that now you must try hard when I throw you up. Minnie ran fast with the little kite and Hari held the string firmly. Held. Hari held the string firmly, tightly. String. String means which is tied to the kite. That is called string. Hari held the string firmly. Winnie ran fast with the little kite. Ran fast. We need to ran fast and threw the kite up. And the one who is holding the string, he must pull the string. Then Minnie jumped up and threw the kite as high as she could. She tried hard. Minnie tried, jumped up, and threw the kite as high as she could. As she could, as much high as she could. She threw the kite. The kite felt a little stir in its tail. Kite felt a little stir. What is a little stir? Oh, it's in next page number. Na? Sorry. Page number 17 I am in. Felt a little stir in its tail. Little stir means felt a little movement. The kite's tail is moving. Kite's tail is making movement, but not the kite is not moving. This is called felt a little stir. Felt a little movement in its tail. It tried really hard. It here refers to the little red kite. The little kite tried. hard, really hard. It gave a big push when it felt a breeze. Breeze means a soothing wind, a pleasant wind, a good wind. That is called breeze, I said. Na? In order to fly the kite, we need breeze or wind. So it gave a big push when it felt a breeze. When red kite felt a breeze, it gave a big push. It tried. The little kite tried to push when it felt a breeze, flowing breeze. The breeze soon hushed it up. Hushed. Hushed is in blue color. See what is hushed? The breeze soon hushed it up. Hushed means moved suddenly or quickly with a rushing sound. Rushing sound. Suddenly, quickly. Movement. Rushing sound. When wind starts blowing very fastly, we can hear the sound. When we moving in a bike, we can hear the sound of the wind. If we wear a helmet or if we held the hands near our ears, then we can feel and we can hear the sound of wind or breeze. And you can feel this one while traveling in a bus or in a train, the movement of breeze or wind, that is hushed. Rushing sound it is. The red kite felt very excited. The red kite felt very excited. Excited means make someone feel very enthusiastic or eager. Excited, it is a feeling, very good feeling it is. Unexpectedly, if something pleasant has done to us, then we feel excited, very excited. Why it is very excited? Oh, I am flying, sang the little kite as it pulled at the string. See what it is saying? The oh, I am flying, sang the little kite. Sang, sing, past tense sang, the little kite as it pulled at the string. Hari pulled the string, so it started flying. So it sang the song, oh, I am flying, like that. It could see the park below grow smaller and smaller. It could see. It means the little red kite could see the park below. When it is flying up, flying in the sky, flying up in the sky, it can look at the below ground. Smaller and smaller, park below, smaller and smaller. After a while means few times, a few minutes later, few after some time passes, Minnie and Harry were little dots at the end of the string. End of the string. Starting of the string is the little red kite. Attached string is, that is starting of the string. Ending of the string is in Harry's hand. At the end of the string, Minnie and Harry were little dots, means two dots, two full stops. Full stops we call it as dots. Two dots at the end of the string. How much high it is flying? See, when we fly high in the sky, then only the persons in the ground can be looked as a dots. So it is, the meaning of this sentence is the little kite is flying very high in the sky. Now the little kite was flying near the other kites. Now the little kite was flying near the other kites. There are other kites also flying in the sky. Now this little kite also flying near them. Welcome, little one, said a kind blue kite. Welcome, little one. A kind blue kite welcomed the little red kite. Blue kite means very kind blue kite. Kind means helping nature. Who has a helping nature, we call them as kind person. So here a kind blue kite. It says, welcome, little one. The little kite waved its tail as it sailed away. The little kite waved its tail, waved its tail means a movement of right to left or up front to back. That is called waving. From right to left, that is wave. Waved its tail. The little kite waved its tail as it sailed away. Sailing means floating. Sailed away, floating in the sky. So it is started playing in the sky. It started loving the fly. To fly, love to fly. It loved the blue sky. It loved sailing in the breeze. It loved looking at the clouds that were still far above. Far above means near opposite word is far. Far above. The kite is far above from the hari or the ground, and the clouds are far above from those kites. Oh, you made it after all, said Ravi's green and yellow kite as it came close. Ah, you made it after all. You made it. Made it means able to do it. You are able to do it. You are able to flying now, said Ravi's green and yellow kite. Ravi's green and yellow kite and Hari's little red kite are flying near now, and it continues. Which one? Green and yellow kite continues. Look out for that huge purple monster. Look out for that huge purple monster. Huge purple monster is in blue color. What is the meaning? Here a big purple kite. Big purple kite is huge purple monster. Very big it is. Size, very big size. Kite is huge purple monster. It could hurt you if you go near the huge purple monster. It could hurt to you. It means damage to you, like that. Ravi's green and yellow kite said it to Hari's little red kite. However, the little red kite just whooshed up and down as it flew away. Little red kite just whooshed up and down as it flew away. It was not afraid of anymore. If once it learned to fly in the sky, it was not afraid of anymore. It was enjoying itself very much. When we don't know bicycle riding, then in the beginning we also fear. When we get fall and when we broke our legs, when we get hurt, we feel like that. But when we learned when if we learn that how to ride the bicycle, we never feel or afraid of or fear of riding the bicycle. We start riding, enjoying the riding of bicycle. Like that, this little red kite learned to fly, so it was enjoying the flying. This is the end of the lesson. At the end, the little red kite started flying, learned to fly. Dear children, I hope you understand in today's class. Be happy, be safe in your home. Dhanyawad.